Hey Curly Teas! Today we're making a pumpkin seed oil based cream using a botanical infusion of curry leaf as the base. Curry leaf is said to have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. It's also thought to help improve minor skin and scalp irritation. Pumpkin seed oil is thought to help improve non-medical related hair loss over time. It also has great emollient properties. First, you have to make the curry tea. You already know how to make tea, so just use your best judgment when deciding how much to make. I made this curry tea with distilled water the day before. It was refrigerated until use. Now, if you don't have betaine, don't worry. Use glycerin or 72-hour moisture or another humectant you're familiar with. Gum gel also has humectant properties, but it's said to have conditioning and smoothing properties as well. Now, if you don't like it, it's not an absolute necessity, okay? So add 3.6% more curry tea instead. Cream Maker Moringa is the first of 2 emulsifiers used to make this particular emulsion. It's made using moringa oil and doesn't add any soaping effect to your cream. Okay, hear me out. YouTube, stay tripping. This channel is not monetized, thus and therefore, members at CURLYTEA.com have access to the full videos, instructions, ingredient list, and my notes. So come join us today. This is the final version before adding the color. And this is the final version after adding the color. Please note that you have to include paprika and turmeric in your ingredients list if you use that as the colorant. Alright y'all, I hope you enjoy this pumpkin and curry conditioning cream, and don't forget to visit CURLYTEA.com for all of the DIY recipes and formulas, including the full ingredients list, instructions, my notes, and other information. Follow on social media and become a patron at Patreon if that's more convenient for you. I'll talk to you guys soon.